Today during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about how some words have literal and figurative meanings. Literal means that the word is exactly what it says it is. If we are talking about the word blanket, it is something to keep you warm and cover you up. If we are talking about the word glow, it means that it is making something shine brightly. They also have figurative meanings, which means that they don't really necessarily mean what they say. If we were talking about a blanket of snow, there's not a literal blanket on the ground, but the ground is covered in snow. So for your activity today, you're going to look at these 5 words in the left column. Each one has a literal and figurative meaning. Then you're going to type a sentence using the literal meaning of the word in the top space and a sentence with the figurative meaning in the bottom space. For our practice, we're going to use the word blanket. So the top is the literal meaning. I am going to say, the blanket felt so warm after a long day skiing. And for my figurative, I am going to put the snow blanketed the horizon as far as you could see. You're going to create 2 sentences for each word, a literal sentence and a figurative sentence, and submit on Schoology when complete.